Please join us. Let's visit.
Oh yes, so today to Lico Platinum credit bakugumu kasente to cover what and today I'm supporting them. They bought 2 tables from me for my concert this Friday at Serena Hotel. I'm celebrating 10 years and Banga Sekonyo, I'm really excited. I can't wait to see you, ladies and gentlemen.
You're here with Carol.
We are here with the queen herself. We are with the big one. Thank you for your support. Expect more than that. Thank you.
Hi guys, it's quite fun to say hi to you guys.
Thank you for your support. Okay, I look forward from Platinum Credit. The fun we had at the end of the party, we extended it this Friday to celebrate. As we celebrate 10 years. 10 years of success. And be free.
We're gonna make this thing shine.
You guys want to come out
We love
first?
you, Spice Diana. We love you, little angel. Diana.
You like so we love that song. I think it's been really nice.
Yes.
And then she also came to our party, and our team loved her.
Yeah.
So we thought we would be part of it.
We had fun, so we want to extend the fun that we had at the end of your party for this Friday.
All right.
Amazing.
That's enough.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you.
Like a POP or what?
We're going to do a transfer.
Yeah. Is she going with a proof of payment?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so
Combs, we
much.
wish you well.
Thank you very
We'll
much
see you.
for your support. See you Friday now.
This Friday.
Yes.
I am part of our party as a musician when you are at the end of your party. They're promising your table Biri.
Yes.
Because of brand here, we have people that were promised.
Thank you.
The music where
Thank
his
you so
career. We can't wait.
Yes.
Part of it tomorrow.
Friday. You want it tomorrow? Yes.
Back to school.
Yeah.
The campaign has begun running.
Yes.
Business nabo.
Business tekutulamu. Platinum credit weri. Yeah, eranze bwenvira mu Kivulu.
How are you?
I'm good.
You made me break my back all the time.
Yes.
I'm not so used to dancing like that.
And on Friday,
On Friday.
you need to first arrange a team after the show. You have to go for operation.
All right.
Because we are dancing today.
Okay, so you tell us
Yes.
what are we doing here?
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to celebrate 10 years of Spice Diana.
Yes.
And we believe Spice Diana is a brand that has come through the ages. And like Platinum Credit, we have also been there and seen, we've just at the time.
Yeah.
Okay, so we made our promise to Spice to give her 2 tables for a show, to buy 2 tables for the show. And your job today is to hand over the 2 tables, each table going for 3 million. So today we shall be giving her 6 million shillings.
What is that?
Yeah. So this is Spice from Platinum Credit to you.
Wow.
All right.
Okay. Money.
Kongs.
Thank you so much.
I hope it's a very nice show.
Of course,
It
you
must
tested a bit of it.
Yeah.
Make sure you come yourself. So these ladies and gentlemen don't tell you what really happened.
No.
You should be there in
pass
person.
by.
All right.
But congratulations.
Thank you so
I think your career is impressive.
Thank you.
And also support us.
Of course. I was here asking in details, so I can also come and be part of the platinum credit because it's doing amazing stuff. Actually, I didn't know. I knew a bit of it, but according to how I've gotten to know more, it looks like I was missing. Definitely.
All right.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your support. Group picture. Yes, please.
Yeah.
This is done.
Yeah.
Nyinza banze njimanyi bulala.
Kimanyi ku kyaki kyakulu.
Sente.
Exactly.
Okay.
Just keep money. Like, just give money.
Loans and stuff.
Just give you money.
Mm.
You want to import, you import for you.
Okay.
You want to get from your phone, you get from you.
And then you pay Pola.
Then you pay Pola. When you drive,
Hello. I'm good. Good morning. Ruben, spice that. Nice meeting you.
come get.
Are you breathing? Sure.
Of course. You look excited more than myself. Me, I am, but it looks like you're more excited than me. Oh.
We thought they were going to lie to us.
Oh my God, how can I do that? Did you attend the party?
Yes, we did.
I assured you. Yes, you see? So I had to come. Tujia ntukabire ready. Akantu kabire nga kali ready. Yes.
Just give me about 5.
Okay.
My MD will be here. And I'll tell you, this is your seat.
Tiyo biti bwanga mumpa.
Make yourself comfortable.
All right. Oh. I come in?
Yeah.
Thank you. Nange. Ekivulo kirambaye. Hello, good morning.
Yes.
Everywhere.
Eric.
Yeah.
Eric.
Eric. Official.
Time. 11:39.
39. Okay.
Just,
Kasi mbagambe nze nali wano. Hello. Spice Diana. Thank you. Where? Oh, hello. Eric, nice meeting you, Eric.